Hello, and welcome to the first tutorial about searching on EBSCO databases. If you've never searched EBSCO before, this is a good introduction to a basic search. So you want to start at our homepage, www.ancilla.edu, and then you have a few different ways you can get to EBSCO. First, you can go to the quick links at the top right corner and go down almost to the bottom to online resources. This is what we call the EBSCO databases. You can also go to the links at the left and look under Library for the online resources link there. You can even go to the library homepage and there's another online resources there, but it's a little out of your way. Remember, if you see online resources, that's where you will find EBSCO. When you click on it, if you're on campus, it will take you to this screen, regardless of whether you're using the wireless or a desktop. If you're off campus, you'll get a plain-looking page that asks for your 14-digit library barcode and the first 5 letters of your last name. Your barcode is on the back of your student ID. Just type the number in without the spaces. If your last name is shorter than 5 letters, like mine, just use your entire last name. This should get you to this page. If it doesn't and you've changed your name but haven't told the library your new one, try using the old name. If that still doesn't work, or you haven't changed your name, contact the library and we'll investigate. It's usually a setting that's off on our end, and it's an easy fix. If you click here, you'll see that there's a big list of databases that are available. Each one of these covers different topics and has different full-text coverage. You can search them all at the same time if you want, but it's better to just select the most likely choices. Why search a business database if you're looking for information on heart disease? It makes more sense to look in medical databases for heart disease. If the database name is a bit hard to tell what it's about, you can click on More Information. Usually, the database title and brief description is enough to tell you whether it's right for your topic or not. Keep in mind that consumer information is generally not where you'll find the peer-reviewed material. So if you're a nursing student, you'll want to use the Nursing Academic Edition of HealthSource. I suggest using Academic Search Premier for most, if not all, searches because it has a lot of full text available and it's multidisciplinary. That means it covers all different topics, not just one. I'm going to do an environmental search as an example of a simple search. So I'm going to choose Academic Search Premier, Green File, which is an environmental database, Master File, which is another multidisciplinary database, and the Military and Government Collection, because I found that I get some surprisingly good results from that one, probably because the government is interested in just about anything. Once you've selected your databases, you can click Continue, which takes you to the search screen. Here you can type in your search term. I'm going to do global warming and click Search. Your results are summed up here. As you can see, you get more than enough for a research paper. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how you can combine terms to narrow down your search even more through a process called Boolean searching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Good luck!